Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy. Well, today we are making kushboo idli, super soft idlis. Urad dal, half cup. Idli rice, 3 cups. Sago sabudana, 1/4 cup. Soak for 4 hours. Blend a smooth batter. Ferment it for 8 hours. Salt as per taste. Mix gently. Grease oil to the idli stands. Place in steamer. Steam for 12 minutes on medium heat. For coconut chutney, roasted dal 2 tablespoon, coconut 4 tablespoon, red chilli 1, salt as per taste, 1/4 cup water, make fine paste. Add tadka. Super soft idli is ready to eat. Enjoy with chutney and sambar. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.